millions of people participated in the agitation throughout the country. What was the issue? The people were saying that, we feel that government of the day is not accountable to anybody. It seems that there are some allegations of corruption, act of omissions, which amount to loss of revenue, but it seems that nobody is responsible for it. So suppose any government in office, if there is an allegation against the present government, I am not saying the government that Mr. Narendra Modi will head, if there is any allegation against the minister of that particular government, how do you account him for that allegation? How do you make sure that the allegation is right, wrong, or the allegation is supposed to be taking responsible? What is the institution which is available today? So courts of India will finally decide if at all this accountability commission is not going to be above the Supreme Court of India. All these ideas that we talk about are the ideas to find out how do you actually fix the responsibilities with a particular functionary of the government, which was contemplated and we are supposed to exercise in the good faith in the interest of the people.
Why?
If he is doing...
Why? Are you assuming the existing institutions are too weak? Or that they don't exist? Aarti Cherath, counter question.
No, but just 1 minute. I'm just saying is, if you create an institution,
not all at the same time. Gaurav, 1 minute.
They have all been destroyed. The CAG submitted a report on 2G which went to the PAC, which is headed by a BJP leader. What happened to it? The opposition did not fulfill its role, the role that it is supposed to play in Parliament. And that's why nobody's been held accountable.
This therefore reinforces the point which Priyanka Gandhi is making of late. That you are targeting Robert Vadra to target me. So you are actually reinforcing, and Meenakshi Lekhi, you are smiling, but that is the basic fact. That the more you talk about an accountability commission, the more fire there will be in the Congress party argument that it is not about Robert Vadra, it's about political fixing if you were to come to power.
I am so surprised at the arguments raised, because you mean to say people in this country, whoever be the government or people in power or heading the institutions, should go unaccounted and should not be accountable to the people of this country. And so many institutions, when Aarti makes a statement and brings in BJP surreptitiously, I'm surprised at that argument.
There was a 58,000 crore.
Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. Now, CAG is not giving the right report. Supreme Court is wrong. There has been a zero loss. Nothing has happened. Who was in power and who were the people? The same people whose faces are being shown on TV today. Why are people scared of being accountable? I think I will open...
I'll ask you, Meenakshi, let me ask you this.
You think the existing framework...
Vinod Mehta's magazine outlook.
Enough?
1 second, one minute. Mr. Kesavan. Yeah, what's your counterpoint? 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia, yes? Yes, Gaurav Bhatia?
Mrs. Meenakshi Lekhi has still not answered why there was no Lokayukt in Gujarat.
Let me answer him, please. I mean, so much of lies can't be peddled. No. He's made this point. It just went unrebutted. I am making the point.
You always speak over him when he's making his point, so you don't let him make his point.
He's made his point earlier.
1 minute, let him make his point. He has a right to make his point.
In fact, I'm interrupted.
Please, yes, Gaurav.
8 years. There was no Lokayukta in Gujarat. And second, I would say the existing framework, existing institutions are enough if we do not interfere in their functioning, which the successive governments have been doing. The CBI is a very competent body, but you have to give them a free hand. And the BJP is doing nothing, but they are trying to, just do political vendetta politics, and that should not be encouraged.
Okay, now let me answer him on 2 counts. One is that you have probably not read either the judgment or the history of Lokayukt in Gujarat, because not once, thrice the names have been finalized and sent, and the governor of the Gujarat never sent it or forwarded it or never allowed. Number 1. So your statement that Gujarat never appointed is a lie, number 1. And don't peddle lies. Number 2, how Supreme Court has... No, I have not completed, Mr. Goswami. And don't interrupt.
No, you
don't interrupt when I'm answering.
Both of you at the same time.
I don't interrupt when I'm answering. He's made 2 points. I have to answer him twice. What is the point he's making?
You're not hearing him.
Please start picking up the history of Lokayukt in Gujarat. How it was sabotaged by the Congress government.
Just a minute, hear him. Hear him. Get the strain of
The
his argument.
second part-
Get the strain of
The
his
only
argument.
government-
What a good debate.
the only
Hear the
government-
No,
opponent.
the
Hear your
second
opponent.
answer,
No, watch it. Hear your
second
opponent.
answer,
Government.
second answer
Hear your
that
opponent.
existing institutions
Lekhi,
are
please
enough.
don't state
Yes,
incorrect
maybe
facts.
who
You read
is,
the Gujarat
maybe
High Court
they need to be
judgment. What
redone.
did the Gujarat
Maybe
High
a
Court
better
say?
governance
They
model
upheld
needs to
the
come up.
appointment, and
Maybe
that was
Lokpal
challenged.
needs to be, or Lokayukt needs to be given more powers.
Maybe
How
Gujarat
it has to
High Court
happen, that will
upheld the
happen.
appointment
But there has to be
challenged
some form of
by
accountable.
the
Okay, Meenakshi, now please, 1 second, you made your point. Counterpoints to Meenakshi. And I'm making a sincere request to the panel.
Mrs.
Sincere
Lekhi-
request. I'm making two requests. Make your
Mrs.
point
Lekhi
briefly.
is wrong on
Do
two
not
counts,
intervene when
Anna.
someone else is speaking.
Yeah.
Yes, Gaurav's turn. I'm going to say whose turn.
one
Gaurav's turn now. Gaurav's turn. Gaurav's turn.
The
before
only
you
government
case
in the history of India who has challenged the appointment of the Lokayukta is the Gujarat government. They lost before
Yes.
the High Court.
Yes.
The High Court upheld the appointment. They moved the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court also upheld, and then they amended the act to dilute the powers of the Lokayukta.
No.
And that is the real fact.
No.
And please, Mrs. Lekhi, when you dilute, because the Lokayukta would keep a check on Mr. Narendra Modi, I think the BJP has no right to talk about a high moral ground.
No,
or
1
to
minute.
say
Don't
there would
respond.
be an
Don't respond
accountability
just yet.
commission.
Judge, don't respond just
Accountability
yet.
should
I
have
raise a
started from
point
the
here
state
and
of
Vinod
Gujarat.
Mehta is testimony to it. 1 second. Mr. Kesavan, I'm coming to you. I'm directing the debate with a few points. Vinod Mehta was editor of Outlook. Today is editorial chairman of Outlook. Vinod Mehta was editor of Outlook in 2001, 2002 during the Vajpayee government. Okay? And our other guest today, Suresh Prabhu, was a cabinet minister in the Vajpayee government. And Mr. Suresh Prabhu, don't mind, please. Vajpayee has had many qualities. I know for the BJP, you say anything against Vajpayee, you all get jumpy about it. Don't jump. We have a right to criticize politicians. We have a right to criticize prime ministers. We criticize Manmohan Singh. We can criticize Vajpayee. You see, people talk about vendetta, vindictiveness because there has been vendetta and vindictiveness in the past. Who better than Vinod Mehta knows about it? You were vindictive against media organizations that exposed alleged corruption. Were you not? Was it not after Operation West End that Tehelka's offices were raided? Was it not after Vinod Mehta magazine brought out the story on Ranjan Bhattacharya that its offices were raided? So you have shown yourself, Mr. Suresh Mehta, of being eminently vindictive in the past. That's why there is a fear that you will be vindictive in the future. Suresh Mehta responds. Vinod Mehta, you want to say something before that?
Arnab,
Suresh Prabhu, yes. Vinod
Arnab,
Mehta.
I think that
Yeah.
nobody
See,
will
firstly,
quarrel with
let
an
me tell you,
accountability commission.
You know, Mr.
But
Vajpayee.
I think I speak for
No,
the
Mr. Vajpayee.
overwhelming majority of people in this country that we do not trust BJP to run an honest
not trust the
accountability
BJP,
commission.
okay, fine.
Yes.
They will find just now, Meenakshi Lekhi, every time she finds an answer that no, Ranjan Bhattacharya is not guilty because this matter is he has been exonerated here, like the Lokayukt in Gujarat.
You should not trust Congress because
1
Congress
minute,
should have investigated
I'm not
him.
talking for
Congress
all I'm
has not
saying
Why do you say we don't
investigated
trust the
him.
BJP?
Why are you
saying
asking me?
BJP?
I don't.
Was BJP
I
in
don't,
part?
and
Why didn't
people
they
in this
investigate?
country,
Court
given
of
their
law,
record,
don't wait
don't
for
No,
the
no, you're
government
making
to
a-
run
you're
an honest
illogically
an
faulty
accountability
statement.
commission in the hands of the BJP will be a
BJP
vendetta
cannot
and
be trusted.
vindictiveness.
Meenakshi, I know you want to come in. I want to go across to
No,
Suresh Prabhu.
BJP
Suresh-
cannot be trusted by people who never report on Augusta Westland. BJP cannot be trusted by people
doesn't report on Augusta Westland?
I want to ask that question. Who's printed Mrs.
Lekhi
Gandhi's
saying
picture? Who's
that they could
printed
not find the retired High Court
Ahmed
I'm very
Patel?
sorry,
Who's
Meenakshi Lekhi.
printed? Who's
Meenakshi
printed
Lekhi,
those
For everything
pictures?
you want
one
Mrs.
minute.
Gandhi's
One
picture.
minute.
Yes,
Meenakshi
Italian
Lekhi.
media
No,
did.
Meenakshi
Italian
Lekhi.
media did.
Meenakshi
Italian media did.
Lekhi, let me ask you this. Because 1 minute, then it's let you and I have a conversation on this.
We can have
You talk about Augusta Westland. Did the BJP get sued by Augusta Westland or did Times Now get sued by Augusta Westland? Be careful about what you say. We got sued by Augusta Westland, not the
So
BJP.
you should have- you should
shoot
have
over our
challenged it.
shoulders.
You
and
didn't
to
put
attack.
Sonia
No,
Gandhi's picture. That
no,
was
we
your
don't
fault.
need
No,
lessons on
I'm saying
Please
there
understand.
this was a question directed at Mr. Mehta, who's sitting here, because on a fake deal, so-called arms deal, there was a reporting, but on real arms deal, there is no reporting. That's
That's
my
your view.
question.
That's your view.
No, that is my view, so I'm entitled to my view.
It is the media that
Arnab.
exposed the Augusta Westland deal.
Arnab,
Please,
let's not
what are you
forget,
talking
the media.
about?
No.
It is the media that
Let's
picked
not
it up, the
forget.
But
media
we
that went on against
didn't
it.
put Sonia Gandhi's picture in that
Ah,
deal.
so that's why the
the
media did
problem.
not doubt. Okay, so then you're
So
just
will you then have an
underlining that you're
accountability
after the
commission on the
Gandhi
media
family.
also now? That why did the media not
Where
put
was-
Sonia
where
Gandhi's
was
picture
the
on the Augusta Westland?
No, I think you
there.
people, so-called with the freedom of press and everything, are
So-called, you
supposed
don't
to-
believe in the freedom of the press?
I don't know how much it works, because
Look at the
sometimes
way
you
they
realize that certain
all the-
particular 324 hours for particular news, when the judgment comes, it only gets 1 minute. So those
Really,
kinds
really,
of
and
questions.
all the stories and the scams which have been broken
Of
in the
course,
national
a
media,
huge
which
good
you
work.
quote, has been put out by who?
Good work.
Who's
also.
exposed it? The
Huge
BJP.
good work, but
The
there's
BJP.
always a scope for improvement.
The BJP exposed CWT.
Huge scope for improvement.
Well, let me tell you, the last day, it will be the last day when a journalist seeks
Arnab, can I
improvement
just-
and guidance
Why
on
should it
improvement
not?
from political
I mean,
parties.
Maybe we
seen
need
all
a
kinds of
commission to
people.
teach the
Arnab, should
media
we
how
in
to
the
do its
media now
job.
also be worried
No,
about?
maybe they should be
Okay,
a
Gaurav
commission.
Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia
Teach the
coming
media
back.
how to
Mrs.
do its
Lekhi.
job.
I think before Gaurav Bhatia, I have to go to Mr. Kesavan. Mr. Kesavan, are you nervous again? Are you nervous? If you have nothing to hide, let them bring it on. You should say, bring it on. You should say to Meenakshi Lekhi tonight, bring it on. Bring on your accountability.
I don't want to be interrupted.
should it worry
Let me make a
anyone?
point. Bring it on, because Congress party brought in the RTI. Congress party passed the Loka Ayog, but these people have Purushottam Solanki and Babalal
RTI, you don't bring
Bokria
it.
sitting there pretty in his cap. Don't interrupt me, madam. Have the civility and the courtesy.
Let him
I've never
speak.
said a word. Kindly,
make false
if you
statements. Let him
interrupt me,
speak.
the
Let him
people
speak,
of India will give you an answer. Kindly listen to us. Let me tell you this, Arnab. This is, who's jittery. These people were having a facade and a smokescreen of development, and on the other side there was hate ventriloquism by the BJP. Mr. Togadia, hate ventriloquism, and the real voice is Mr. Modi ji's. But the puppets have these people echoes like Giriraj or Togadia or even Kadam. But now what has happened is BJP is panicking because their divisive agenda of mobilizing by polarizing has come out. So they're coming out and issuing threats in an authoritarian way against UP.
What's the threat? Where's the threat?
Accountable. We are very happy.
Which part is the threat? Where's the threat? Which is the threat?
Look at the way they threaten the people of India. Look at the way they threaten the people of India. They said if you're against Modi, you go
She's
to
saying you're
Pakistan.
panicking.
What do you mean by that?
She
Isn't
says
that
you're
a
in
threat?
panic.
Isn't that a
Why
threat?
should it bother you?
They threatened the election commission. They threatened.
Arnab.
If you don't have, please let me
Arnab,
complete.
see,
They said if you
No,
don't
let him
vote,
complete. He has the right to
you
complete.
can
If I may expose
You question.
them.
He has the right to
problem
complete.
is
1 second.
Whether it's the
Look at the
CBI,
BJP
whether it's the CBI, whether it's the election commission, these people want to break the edifice of democracy and all the pillars of institutions. They want to break all the institutions, whether it's CBI or election commission or anybody. And I'll tell you one
Who's
thing,
broken the
Arnab, all
pillars?
the stall talk is going to be quashed because BJP will be humbled in the polls, and the people of India don't like this condescending attitude, and they will be given a befitting reply on May 16th.
I
Arnab,
want to answer.
No, I have
Arnab,
one
I
second.
just want to say
I have
one
a
thing.
counter question to Mr. Kesavan,
Arnab.
please. No, Mr. Kesavan, ये दोहरे मापदंड, double standards, hypocrisy of the Congress party must also be questioned here. Tell me,
Oh, please.
you don't believe in any vendetta or vindictiveness, right? So, the disproportionate assets case against Jagan Reddy, when he quit your party, was accidental, coincidental, maybe you will say it was the hand of God in
even
your
Mr.
party.
Mulayam Singh
He
Yadav.
quit your party in November
Mr. Mulayam
29,
Singh Yadav,
2010, let me complete. In the same month, P. Shankar Rao, former minister in the Andhra cabinet and a member of the Congress party, wrote a letter that was considered to be a writ petition by the High Court that included allegations against Reddy. The entire system woke up when he rebelled against your party leadership, which means I can also go say that if he had fallen in line, your system would not have woken up. So what kind of an accountability commission was that, and what right do you have to complain today?
Let me give you an
What right do you have to
I'll
complain
answer.
today
Let me
about? You
give
do
you
the
an
same thing. You don't call it the
No,
accountability
no, no.
commission. That's all. You do it through the
Let me give you an example
CBI.
of objectivity. Let me give you an example of the CBI and objectivity.
First of all,
In
accept the
February
point I made on
2011
Jagan Reddy.
No, not at all. I won't.
Accept the point I made on Jagan Reddy.
I said that the Congress party is for transparency, and it will ensure that the law of the land takes its course. Let me tell you this. In February 2011, when there was elections in Tamil Nadu, when the Congress party was with the DMK, the CBI entered the headquarters of the DMK. You think this is not objectivity? Any political party with an axe to grind would have done
Arnab,
this.
can I
The CBI
just
entered
now-
and they interrogated.
Arnab,
So,
Yes,
please
Gaurav.
don't question this. These are all facts.
Gaurav, one sec, Gaurav.
Keshwan. Arnab, Mr. Keshwan should be reminded that the only time a sitting law minister had to resign because he interfered with the functioning of the CBI was in the Congress regime. The Supreme Court had to say
But he
that
resigned.
you've made CBI a caged parrot, and that is how they've destroyed institutions. And this is the reason why
Not
I
at all.
said we have enough institutions in place. We need to give them respect. We need to give them a free hand so that they can investigate fairly, and they should be free from any
lawyer-
political political interference. And Mr. Keshav, I think you are forgetting CBI has been misused by the Congress all throughout.
Not at all.
It is the Congress which has also played a very serious role in destroying an efficient body like the CBI and the CVC. And for that the blame lies
Not at all.
towards the Congress.
Not at all.
What not at all?
Let me tell you this.
Mr. Ashwini Kumar resigned because the Supreme Court had to say that you
No,
made
my question
CBI a case
now,
valid.
my
It has
question
never
before I
happened
close.
that the affidavit
No, my question
was
is about
vetted
harassment.
by
One
the,
second.
law minister.
My question to Meenakshi Lekhi, and by the way, one minute. You see, 1 second, please. I'd like to say 1 second to Meenakshi Lekhi. Miss Lekhi, perish the thought of trying to dictate to the media what it should do or not do. And perish the thought of setting qualitative standards to the media on what is right or not right. The media will not learn lessons in how to do journalism from the BJP. Now my question is
They
this.
should themselves learn the lessons.
No,
and I believe in the freedom of media.
Well, I
but
hope
when
you do,
are
because you
stopped
said
from
so-called.
Nirbhaya
No, you said
trial
so-called.
to be covered,
You
I
said
was the one who appeared for you.
Yeah, but you said so-called
Yes,
freedom
so-called.
of speech. You said that, and
Is
I
not
would request you.
exercised correctly.
I would request you to please take away the prefix so-called from it. That is freedom of speech, which has neither been given nor will be in the future arrogated by the BJP, whether it is in power or in the opposition.
It is by
the point is very
constitution.
simple. The point is very simple. My last point is this: CBI angle. What does Modi say? Modi say harassment, right? He said I've been harassed. He tells the Congress that the CBI won't be able to harm him. Now you're a lawyer. The fact remains in all the matters concerning the encounter cases in Gujarat, for example, it was not the Congress-led government but the courts that ordered a CBI inquiry. Therefore, if Narendra Modi is claiming harassment at the hands of the CBI, is he pointing at the courts or the Congress party?
Misuse of the institutions.
No. First of all, is this statement factually incorrect?
No, it is not factually incorrect. It is what a person has gone over with this government at the center and has been constantly harassed. Mr.
He
Goswami,
speaks
you
of
are
harassment. The
very
Gujarat
courteous
High
to
Court,
everyone.
the Gujarat High Court, if I'm not mistaken.
You're very courteous to everyone, so allow me to
one second.
complete.
I'm courteous, but factually, is it not true that the Gujarat government, Gujarat High Court ordered a CBI inquiry into the Ishrat Jahan case? When the case was being handed over to the CBI because state agencies had been discredited in an earlier report by the SIT. So when you are speaking of harassment, are you talking about being harassed by the courts?
No.
Because in each of these cases, it's the court's intervention which is to be spoken
I'll tell you how was court's intervention
Godhra riot
sought.
as well.
NHRC gives a report. Home Ministry files an affidavit. 8 years later, the same are transformed and same are changed by the government. And now that is brought before the court.
Okay.
Now court has to pass an order. They'll say, okay, if the government is saying so,
now
inquire
last
into it.
point.
Now, who is responsible is the government.
We have 2 minutes left. We are getting counters. Vinod Mehta first.
I
Vinod
hope
Mehta.
Meenakshi
Mr. Kesava and Gora Bhatia, I'm coming to you. Listen to Vinod Mehta.
I
Yes,
hope
please.
Meenakshi Lekhi doesn't speak for the BJP, but I am really alarmed at some of the things that he has said about the press. And already there is a kind of great environment of fear that when Mr. Modi comes in, the press will be taught a lesson.
Oh my God.
Yes, of course there is that thing. So what I am trying to say, that please, anybody who has tried to attack the press has been attacked himself. Nobody has defeated. We are strong enough. We will stand Mr. Modi, we will stand other people. And we don't need, as Arnab says, we don't need any advice from you or from
endorsement.
Congress party on how we should function.
That's true.
I think
that's true. No. One minute. I think we were getting. I think that
Mr. Mehta,
Can I
you want to
answer?
respond?
I
Please,
do,
because I
I
want
do,
to-
because
need
I am
anybody.
somebody who stands for the
Mr.
freedom
Mehta.
of press and freedom of lawyers. And I also know that in 77 and around that period, how press conducted its business, and several other times when questions can be asked of any of the two institutions.
I
And that is also in the freedom. That is also as much a part of freedom.
As I said, I'd say one
in
again.
every institution.
You see,
But I
perennially,
think
historically,
the press has done a
politicians
wonderful job.
have tried, and I'm saying tried. Operational word is tried. Politicians try to put the media on the defensive
No.
by
And
putting
failed.
that's-
No,
but
no.
1 second.
But media
I'm saying
also
the
needs to
independence
answer
of the
many things.
media is
Has
from
to
the
be.
Constitution of India.
I agree.
Unless you say we'll trample on the Constitution of India, I repeat now.
I agree.
Perish the thought perish the
who
thought
has
of
that
trying to tell
who
the
has
media
that
what to
thought?
do. No, I'm just
Who has that thought?
But you've been
I'm not,
saying-
I'm not
saying-
the-
Anyway, we're getting distracted.
You say you can have questions.
Counters coming in.
about certain
Counters coming in.
people.
Suresh Prabhu. The BJP has been vindictive in the
very
past.
quick
Hence,
point.
the Congress
You know-
says it's worried about being vindictive in the future as well. Suresh Prabhu.
Arnab.
Got up after that.
I think the history of vindictiveness is the history of Congress.
Coming back to power. Hello.
We are not worried.
Hello.
We are confident we are coming back to power.
Suresh Prabhu, the Vajpayee government was vindictive with certain media houses, Tehelka and Outlook included. So vendetta has been there in the past. There is a
You know-
fear of vendetta this time. Not by the media so much, but by political parties and your political opponents.
You should have forced
You
the
know,
Congress party.
see,
to
we
do
are
that.
forgetting the media was under the severest of threat during 1975 to 1977, when there was a censorship first time in India's history, that what should
Sir,
be
I'm
published,
talking
what
about
should not be
2014.
published.
No,
In
they
fact,
forget
one
that.
publication. No, but I will just
Why don't
let
you
that
want to
listen.
talk
But
about
the one
2014?
publication had
Same
to
media
put
when your
the
entire political campaign,
entire front
political
page,
campaign on
entire
corruption
front page on the black.
piggybacks
So
upon
that
the
was
exposes done by
1975
the
to
media.
1977.
Anyway,
Then in 19,
The
yeah,
question-
then after,
the question here
yeah,
is,
after
no, you want to go
Shahbanu
into
case,
medieval history, I
there
can.
was
The fact of the matter
a,
is, no, Mr. Suresh
But
Prabhu, the
there
question
was
by
a
your
move.
political opponent says you have a history of being vindictive. The Vajpayee government was vindictive at certain
Do you
points
remember
of time.
Vajpayee? You don't
My
remember
question-
Indira Gandhi? That's my
My
question.
question is,
No, but-
I'm talking
but
about
you know-
what's happened in the recent past.
Well, where-
Indira Gandhi also, please question her.
no, but where did
Same
you?
media.
But where did
Accountability
you?
Commission
But
is
where
part
did you
of a
get this
justified
idea
fear.
of Vajpayee being vindictive? In fact, none of his even opponents will ever say that Vajpayee was vindictive. I was in his cabinet. I will tell you several instances wherein there was a pressure on Mr.
Well, I'm sure he
Vajpayee,
was
the
not
Prime Minister,
vindictive
to
to his
take
cabinet
action.
ministers.
Somebody
Remember
vindictive,
Indira
he has never
Gandhi
done
is
it.
my question.
So Mr. Vajpayee,
Okay.
Mr. Vajpayee can never be,
Okay,
never
now-
be
now-
accused of being
quick point.
vindictive. In
Now,
fact,
should I
the
have to
parents
take a
are
break? Should I take a
they
break
are
and come
at
back?
best-
Should I take a break and come back? I think viewers want this
Arnab.
debate to continue. We'll take a break. We'll come back in 4 minutes. I have to take a commercial break. Gaurav Bhatia and Mr. Kesavan will give you a chance to rebut Meenakshi Lekhi on the other side. Back in 3 minutes.